least squares regression line on Excel. Pick a cell, any cell, highlight your data. No text, please. Go to your chart wizard. You need to use the scatter plot function. Click next. There's your scatter plot. Click next. I'm not going to label this because we're not doing a scatter plot. We're going to just get an equation out of this. Click next. Go ahead and put the chart on this paper. What you have to do to get the regression line is to put your cursor over any point, right click, add trend line. These are all linear. Click the options. You're going to click the display equation on chart box and the box that puts in R squared. Remember, R squared is the correlation squared. So there's your formula. Let me move it where you can see it. And your least squares regression line for this data is y equals negative 0.304 times x plus 31.934. And the correlation squared is 0.5602. That's how you get a least squares regression line out of Excel. MGZ out.